update on the Trailblazer, sort of an update. So I got the X-Link cable, which you can see right here. I got the silver blade one that they told me I needed. I've got that put in. Obviously I've got a silver blade throttle body. This is an original GM, like it's not like an aftermarket one or anything. It's a GM throttle body. And I've been all through the tune. I've had friends look at the tune. I cannot get rid of this reduced engine power situation. I don't understand what's going on with it. On the dyno, you know, it did full pulls. Didn't have any problems with it, but as soon as you get it on the ground, and you just go wide open throttle, it trips into reduced engine power. A few weird things is like I can turn the two-step on, and I can put the pedal to the floor, and it'll sit there and bounce off the two-step, no problem. But as soon as I'm driving and I go wide open throttle, it just goes into reduced engine power or limp mode like immediately. So
take a look under here and see what the trouble is. There it is. A motor.
Trying to figure out what's going on with that. And the crazy thing is before I went with the Procharger, I mean, everything's the same. I've got this is the same engine, the same computer. I was using the X-Link cable before. I had it in there for a couple of years on my gold throttle body. And they were even saying that I probably should have been able to use the gold throttle body with the Procharger. But of course, we all know, most people are saying you gotta have the silver blade throttle body, you know, when you go with boost. So that's why I was thinking, after I've exhausted all my other options, I'm thinking, okay, I'll just go ahead and get the cable for the silver throttle body, you know, put that on there, and that'll be the end of it. But it's not. So
Sounds all right.
another $250 I spent trying to chase this problem down. So I'm not really sure what's going on at this point. It's not a traction control issue. I mean, it's a Gen 3 computer. This thing doesn't even have traction control. It doesn't have ABS. All that stuff's been taken out. And I never had this problem before with the same engine, using the X-Link cable, the same throttle pedal assembly is still in the truck that came in it. So that hasn't been changed or anything. So even the TAC module is the same TAC module I've been using. So I'm not really sure what's going on. So I'm pretty much gonna ask you guys if anybody has any experience with this, that you know, maybe you got some ideas of something I can try, or maybe you've run into this situation before, and you might could give me some help on what I can do to alleviate this situation. And you know, any help would be appreciated. I'm only running, I think my peak boost is like 16 psi, kind of up on the top end. I mean, that's not a whole lot of boost. So I'm not really sure, you know, what the deal is. But anyway, that's where I'm at with the Trailblazer.
Yeah, that did it.
So we'll see. We'll just have to see what I can do about it. See if I can figure out what's going on with it, so we can, you know, so I just need to get this thing going. You know, like I said, I can drive it around all day long, but if I go wide open throttle, it just reduced engine power immediately. But I'll give you guys one more look at it right quick. I'm about to pull it back out of the garage and move it back out for now. I got some other stuff I got to work on again. Of course, this thing's been sitting around, so it's kind of dirty, but we know how that goes. I'll go ahead and do a cold start since I'm about to move it. So here we go. soon as I can make some kind of progress on this stuff, I'll let you guys know. And appreciate you guys watching. And hopefully, like I said, hopefully I can get something going on this thing. This is really driving me crazy. I've never run into this kind of trouble before, so really just don't understand what's going on here. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching and being patient, get this thing together, and I guess we'll hopefully get it worked out before the tracks are open. Get this thing out to the track, run it, get some times, and have some good times, and have some fun, and all that good stuff. Anyway, I'll see y'all later.